Okay, here are some of my favorite tips and tricks for diapering babies. Now, here I'm using just your regular disposable newborn diapers. Look how tiny they are. They're so cute. If you are using cloth diapers, most of them nowadays are this same style, some kind of tabs to the front or to the back. Whether it's an all-in-one or a pocket diaper, whatever kind you have, most of them have this same format, unless you're doing the bigger pre-fold diapers you have to fold yourself, and that's a different technique. But for most of them, we have the same basic techniques. So we're going to go over a few tips and tricks that I've picked up over the years, and we're going to start with this diaper on so that I can start from the beginning of a diaper change and show you. One thing that I would recommend if you're planning on using cloth diapers is to go ahead and use the disposables for the first few days, because those first poops your baby's going to have are those thick black tar meconium poops, and they're going to stain everything. So even if you're planning on using cloth diapers, unless you're okay with really staining and ruining some of the newborn ones or potentially even throwing them away, I would recommend using the disposables for the first couple days. So you got your baby, stinky poop. What do? Here are some tips. First of all, when you undo the tabs, you can go ahead and stick these down to the diaper itself. And even a lot of cloth diapers are made to do that so that it doesn't get caught up on your baby's skin as you pull it down. Then you can use the diaper itself to do the initial wiping and get a lot of the mess out of the way. Otherwise, you're going to be using 15 wipes to get through a diaper change. So get most of the mess out of the way. One thing that can be helpful if you don't have a changing pad, if you're out somewhere, you're changing the baby in your lap or on your friend's floor and you don't want to make sure you don't make a mess on their carpet, you can use another diaper before you even get started. Have this laid down as like a makeshift changing pad. And then the worst that happens is you mess this one up and you waste a diaper, but at least you won't get poop on your friend's nice imported beautiful carpet, right? Not that that's ever happened to me. So we've done this wipe, and then these ball up so nicely. If you're using the disposables, you can just roll it up, use those tabs again, and make yourself a nice little ball. That was my husband's trick. He likes everything nice and compact and neat. And then it takes up less space and no chance that it's going to leak out if you have to stick it in a diaper bag or somewhere until you get to a trash can. So now you've got the clean diaper here. With the clean diaper, well, first of all, it's a boy. You don't leave them sitting here like this. Even if it's a girl, when they're exposed to the air, there's more of a chance that you're going to have some surprise showers. So if you have a wipe or a small cloth wipe or a nursing pad, a burp pad, go ahead and throw something on top of the baby or an extra diaper just to make sure that no leaks go everywhere. With a new diaper, it's better to start high than low because you can always pull it down, but you don't want to be pulling the baby to get right on the diaper. So start up high, bring this up between the baby's legs, and now you want to check and make sure that these are out. If they're tucked in, there's room for a leak there. So make sure these are flipped out, and then if you need to tug down on the diaper a little bit, you can. Most of the newborn diapers will either have a cutout here or you can tuck it under to make room for the baby's umbilical stump until that umbilical cord falls off. You don't want anything rubbing against it and irritating it. So you can fold this down if you need to and then bring your tabs across, and it should be nice and snug. When they're newborns or when they first move up a diaper size, they may even cross a little bit in the middle, and that's okay. You want to make sure it's nice and snug. You've got room to fit a finger in there so you're not cutting off circulation, but it's pretty tight. And that's it. You're all set to go. And you may notice after a while, if your baby starts having leaks up the back, that's a sign that you need to go up a diaper size. That usually means that that diaper is getting too small. So hope that helps you in your diapering journeys.